Hello everyone! Today we are doing something different and playing Minecraft. I will only teach you some of the basics you should know before starting to play Minecraft. So, let's begin! You should always start by clicking the single player button. But if you want to play with some people, you should try multiplayer. But I'm going to teach you basic stuff, so let's go to single player. This is how you make a world. You click, create new world. You choose your game mode, survival, hardcore, creative, and that's it. So, survival is when you explore a mysterious world and kind of just have fun. Don't worry, you can use cheats, it's fine. Hardcore. You should not use this for the first time. It will be really hard. You cannot respawn. Creative. You do whatever you want. No way to die, fly, and have endless materials. Monsters won't hurt you. So, we're going to choose survival. And let's go easy because I'm just trying to teach. We're going to name the world You don't need to name the world all the time, but I'm just going to name it Shakul Academy. Simple. Now, we're going to allow cheats on because if you try cheats off, it'll be a little hard for you. So, we have this. If you want to do this, I would say you leave it normal, and I don't think you should do this. Create new world. Let's prepare a new world for new stuff. Let's see. I hope we get a good seed. You should also know that the controls for this game are WSD, click, and, well, control. Controls for sprint, WSD to move, and click to hit. So, we're in a new world. Let's wait for it to load out a little bit. Great. I see that we got a plane next to I'm pretty sure jungle, but I'm not sure what biome that is. This is how you start Minecraft. First, you start Minecraft by just punching some wood. Like that. Then you get this, just breaking it. You get this. More wood. Just watch and learn. Just get a little bit of wood and 3 should be enough so you can get some tools. Do this, get this, do that, right click to do that, and then take a crafting table. Put the crafting table down, do this, put it like that, get us some sticks, do this, and do that. Simple. Now that you have an axe, a wooden axe, we're gonna get some more wood and make some of the other tools we need. But I recommend you just make a pickaxe. Get some more of these, by the way. So now we're just gonna break the crafting table, and it's important that you should always carry a crafting table around, so if you ever need to craft something on the go, you can. So now we are going to find a mine or any type of stone. Just need to find stone somewhere. So, oh, perfect, a mine. enough stone, you can make some tools for yourself. You should get started. Okay, so this should be enough stone to get started of making some tools. Let's see. I would recommend you use the quick way and just, well, quickly just make some sticks real quick here. Just do this. Get some sticks. And now, this is the quick way of making stuff. We're not gonna need that stuff anymore once we get our tools. Got a pickaxe. We're gonna need a shovel, and that should be enough for now. And then we're gonna just take this out, do this, and throw these two old wooden tools away like that. And remember, Q to throw stuff out of your inventory. Now that you have all of that done, let's get down here. And if you ever find wolves, don't hit them or they can really kill you. But if you get some bones by killing skeletons, you can tame these guys. So, yeah. Let's see. After you get some stone tools, you should probably get to getting some food for your journey. But always be careful because there's mobs all around you. And some mobs can kill you right away. But some mobs are just really nice. Like these foxes over here. But if you ever have a pet rabbit, maybe having a pet fox too is not a good idea. Foxes might look cute, but they can kill. And when I say kill, I mean kill. Whoa. Ow, 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 ow. It's okay. If you get burned on lava, you will not die, but you will get damaged a lot. So, you should still kind of be okay. See? Told ya. And from killing sheep, you can get mutton, which is edible, so you can just eat it. There. So, and all chicken is also really good. But beef heals you a lot. I recommend getting beef more because, and if you didn't know, you get beef from cows. There you go. Let's go down here. So if you ever see coal, you should totally take it because it can be really useful in your Minecraft journey. It's used for most of all, I would say, furnaces, but you use it to cook food. I mean, that's probably its only good use, cooking food. Okay, let's go up here real quick. I see some coal over there. Let's go get that. And quick tip, if you ever find gold, make sure not to perhaps mine it with a stone pickaxe because you need an iron pickaxe or else the gold will just break. You need the proper tools for some stuff here. You might think that Minecraft is a simple game, but sometimes it can get really challenging. Don't worry, I don't mean the bad type of challenging. If you go in easy mode, it could be a little less. But if you see coal, you should totally mine it. Let's see. Go over here. And remember not to stay in water for too long or else you will drown. These bubbles, and by the way, you see these bubbles? Go to them. They take you insta down because there's a magma block there. That's the only reason. But you should not use that really, I would say. Only use that if it's like useful for you, not if it's bad. Because then it's really bad. That would be terrible. magma blocks and water is how you make elevators in Minecraft. You should go look up a tutorial because I don't know how to do that. My brother does. Let's see. Ooh, iron. I can get that. Okay, let's see. So this is iron. It looks more like skin color, but it is iron. Trust me. And if you ever see gravel, be careful around it. Because one wrong hit, and you will die. So, let's go this way over here. Copper is kind of useless. Don't ever get copper. It's a waste of durability. Trust me, I know. Shovel is good for sand for most of the time, I guess. Sand and dirt. So, I would more say sand. But, you know, if you want to say dirt, go ahead. I don't care if you argue with me. Just do what you want. But I'm just here to help people. Whoa. Okay, you should always be careful with sand too. It's also like gravel. It will fall if you're not careful. Ooh, cool. Let's see. Okay. So, next, if you ever see anything like green, you should totally stay away from it, or just go to it and kill it with your sword. And most of Minecraft part is killing, so if you're a little kid and don't like killing animals, don't play this game. It ain't for you. So, let's move over here. You can do all food, but I'm not gonna eat pigs. Pigs are terrible. And I'm not gonna tell you reason why I don't like to eat pigs. Because I don't know. But I'm just not gonna say it. Let's go this way. Eggs have a chance of hatching a chicken. Not all the time though. And your hunger bar, you should get some raw mutton, just real quick. And now that we have done with that, we have iron. We need dirt. We need some of this. Just gonna get some of that. That should be good. And now that it's striking night, this is a perfect time for this. Just gonna quickly do this and put that down. And you're probably wondering what I'm trying to make here. I'm trying to make a white bed. That's how it works. Yeah, you can make a bed. Just gonna sleep over here. So I would say that's most of the basics you should know. But if you ever want more about this, just comment below and see if I post another video. Comment if you want to know more about this game. I would say you comment below and tell me, because I don't know if you're gonna want another video. So please let me know your feelings about my videos. I'm really happy to have you all as my viewers. And the haters, just if you hate me, just don't watch my videos. Okay, so don't blame me if you can't play. What happened here? Whoa. Okay, that's lava. Okay, that's bad. Sorry about that. So, I'm happy to have you guys as my viewers and haters. And all the haters that don't like to watch my videos and comment on me and say that I'm bad. Why do you even watch the streams if you didn't want, if you're my haters, huh? Just don't watch my videos if you don't want me as your, if you don't want me to record YouTube videos. Just let the others who like my YouTube channel enjoy it. And other people, I know you guys like to give me support and hate the haters, but don't always be mean. I can handle my haters myself. Don't worry. I got this. Bye! And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like. And perhaps leave a loving comment down below. Bye!